Hi, welcome to Learning Monkey. I am Vikram. In this class, we'll try to understand problems in expression evaluation. So the concepts of operators has already been discussed. We have taken nearly 8 to 10 videos on operators, all the kinds. Most of the commonly used operators has already been discussed in our previous videos. If you haven't watched those videos, please watch those videos and come back here. And every video in our channel is going to be a part of entire course or a playlist. Our suggestion is to follow the entire course so that you can have better understanding of the concepts. And the link for the playlist is provided in the description below. Now, hoping that you have already watched all the videos on operators, let's try to understand what are the problems that we have in evaluating an expression. So for example, consider these expressions. Here we are having so how this expression, consider one of the expression, first expression. So how this expression will get evaluated. So let's assume that it is going to evaluated from left to right. So 2 plus 3, 5 into 5, it is going to 25. If the same expression in the same with the same values, if the expression is twisted in the reverse order, so what is the output that it is going to generate? It is 5 into 3, 15. 15 plus 2, it is going to generate an output of 17 with the same values, with the twist in the operators. So we are going to get different answers. So how the things will get executed? So as we already know in our elementary school, we know that the operators, if different operators are there in the same expression, in a single expression, so it is the expression will get evaluated based upon the precedences. So what is meant by precedence? An operator will have more precedence when compared, more importance when compared to the other operator. So what does that mean is, for example, consider this expression. It is 2 plus 3 into 5. So considering this expression, so based upon the precedence of the operators, precedence means importance of the operators, the expressions will get evaluated. So you consider any mathematical expression, that mathematical expression will get evaluated by using the precedence of the operators. So which one is having highest precedence? Here we are having two operators, one is additive operator and the other one is multiplicative operator. Which one is having highest precedence? We all know that the multiplicative operators will have highest precedence. What are the multiplicative operators? It is product, division and modulus division. What are additive operators? Plus and minus. So these set of operators will have highest precedence when compared to these set of operators. Okay, so based upon that, so this one will get evaluated first. 5 3 is 15. This operator will get evaluated. It means the operator, the operands around this operator will get evaluated, means 15, and next this one will get evaluated because the plus is having lesser precedence when compared to multiplicative operators. So the output is going to be 17. If the same expression is given in other way, 3 plus 2, even now the things are going to be executed in the same way. So the precedence is given to the multiplicative operator, so it is going to be 15 and plus 2, it is going to generate an output of 17. So this is how the expressions will get evaluated and how the C compiler will execute. What are the operators and what are the precedences that are given for the operators. And another problem that we have with the expression evaluation is this is if the expression is having the operators with same precedence. So what is the problem that we have with this is, for example, if you add 3 plus 2, it is 5, minus 4, it is going to be 1. If the expression is evaluated from right to left, what happens? It is minus 1 plus 2, it is going to be 1. So in this case we are getting the same answer, but it is not going to be true in all the cases. Okay, so what is that? What is the associativity with the associativity associated with the operators that are having the same precedence? How the expressions will get evaluated? So every operator set, every operator's set is going to have an associativity. So for example, if you take additive operators, the associativity is from left to right. If all the operators in the expression are of same precedence, then the associativity is from left to right. For additive operators, it is left to right. For multiplicative operators, it is some other associativity. It is also left to right. So how the expressions in the programming language, C programming language, will get evaluated? It is decided by operator precedence and associativity table. So based upon the table, every expression will compare its precedence and associativity, and the expressions will get evaluated. In our next coming class, we'll check the operator precedence and associativity table, and based upon that we will understand how the expressions will get evaluated in C. Hope you got the clarity on this concept. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon for the latest updates. And if you have any doubts regarding this concept, please post your doubt in the comment section below. And if you feel that this video is helpful to you, please give us a like symbol, and please share this video with your friends so that they will also get benefited. Thanks for watching.